rhythm with the blues. I got the corn popping in the background. You can hear it. I'm not making popcorn, but I am grilling some of this Whittles corn. I made a Facebook Live last night with talking about Whittles corn, which people in this area say it's the best. Whittles Farm, not easy to find off of Noank, I think Legery Road, something like that. It runs into Flanders, which runs into 184. But I found my way eventually. I got a half a dozen ears, but she threw a 7th ear in because she said the tops, you had to peel it back.
When you get a second, you gotta need some friends.
Okay. Hold on, Roy Don, if you don't mind, I'm doing a video. Thank you.
Oh, sorry. What are we doing now?
Roy Don, you know anything about Whittles corn?
No,
Whittles Farm?
No.
Alright. So anyway,
Those are world.
so Whittles Farm, so I said if they're the best corn in New England, and New England's known as the best corn in the world, sweet corn, Whittles got to be up there as the best corn, and I agree.
Yep.
And so anyway, so I got some shrimp. I'm going to make some shrimp and grits. You have to refer back to the grits recipe. I made this for Paula one night. I talked about doing it for years and never made cheese and grits. And she asked me one night on a Friday night, could I make it? I had the grits in-house, so hey, nothing like the present. So anyway, I put a little blackened seasoning on this shrimp. See that corn popping? Woo-wee. Okay, so I'm gonna go. So got the butter and a little bit of olive oil, nice and hot. So crank the fire up a little bit on that. So throwing this corn here. Char, that makes a really nice salad, like on top of fish. You put this, mix this with a little pico de gallo. Fantastic. You like sweet corn, Roy Don?
What's that?
You like sweet corn?
I love corn. My favorite.
My dad used to send me down. Look it over there. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, Roy Don. My dad used to send me on my bicycle. I grew up in Vernon. He'd send me down to Smitty's, right?
Yeah.
And give me $1. I get a dozen ears of corn.
Yep.
And Smitty give you a 13th one for free. Yeah, that was back in the day.
Can't be done. You can't get that now.
My dad would probably eat.
My dad had to have corn every day when it was sweet and fresh. Every day.
My dad would probably eat probably 7, 8 ears himself. He loved it. He'd eat it like a typewriter. No. Crazy. So, right now, here's what I'm doing. I'm doing shrimp and grits, right? What I'm going to do with the corn is, that's some kind of hot. So I'm going to have to get up.
You got to get something there. You got to burn your fingers.
So, I'm making shrimp and grits for Paula. For Paula, you ever had Orsini sausage?
Yes, I have.
That's Paula Orsini right there.
Is it really?
With Glenn. Peltier. Doing.
Yes, I have had.
Yeah.
Who hasn't? Has
Right.
anybody not?
Did you ever eat their sandwiches over there in Groton? At the store?
Yes. I've done everything, Jack.
I don't know. You've been everywhere.
I just don't eat grits, that's all.
You don't?
No, they used to get mad at me, and when I was in the military, I put milk and sugar on it because I thought it was cream.
Redrick? Well, some people do. All right. So,
You're a Southern boy.
I'm not. I'm right from Connecticut.
I know that, boy.
Huh? They did make me an honorary Texan back in the day.
Yeah, so that's good.
So the shrimp are just about cooked. I'm going to take them out of the skillet to make our sauce. Like I said, this is going to end up being shrimp and grits. And refer back to the recipe on how to make a separate video on how to make cheddar jalapeno grits. So butter, garlic. Okay. Want to cook that garlic a little bit?
Wow, that smells good.
I worked at a place that had like odors coming from the sewer. And you know how you've been to places that had sewer issues, and the owner, the chef, he said, okay, throw onions and garlic in a skillet, get it going real good, and walk through the dining room. That's what you have to do. Yeah. Okay, so cook that real good.
What is that, Dad?
Pico de gallo. Pico de gallo. Put some blackened seasoning. We want to cook that down real good. White wine. A little bit of lemon juice. Just a touch of Frank's Red Hot. Okay?
Is that your secret?
Yep. Don't tell anybody. Okay, I'm gonna put a couple of these banana peppers. A little bit of the vinegar for the banana peppers. Now, believe it or not, Paula, just a touch of veal stock.
Really?
Yeah.
A little bit of everything in that.
A little bit of veal stock. Veal stock and fish, believe it or not, is an old classic. French. So, we want to put the shrimp in. Get a little bit of that flavor going. We won't mix them in all the way yet. Now sometimes, like in New Orleans, for the barbecued shrimp, similar, they put some Worcestershire, but to me, Worcestershire's got just a little bit too sharp. I don't want that sharpness. Okay? Butter.
More butter.
Green onions. That butter thickens everything up nicely. See how that creates the sauce? Okay.
Oh my God.
I left the tails on. You get a lot of flavor. You pick up a lot of flavor in the sauce. You know, with the tails on. People say, I don't like tails on my shrimp. What do I say? Too bad.
Cut them off.
That's it. No shrimp and grits for you.
That's right.
We know what you're eating.
I'm dying right now.
Hey, like we say, Paula, don't make much money, but we sure do eat good.
That's right.
All right, so I'm gonna do like my old friend Emerald used to do. Okay? That's it.
That's fantastic.
Shrimp and grits. Daddy Jack style. Thank you, Paula and Glenn. Couldn't have done it without you. This Daddy Jack's Good with the Blues. Peace, friends, good food, and good health.